In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write out of Office section, or how to kind of like auto reply on the Outlook website. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section, which is and type outlook.live.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. Of course, if you are logged in into your account, you'll find, if you are logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here with this page. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account, you'll find at the top right corner a sign in option. Click on it and you'll be able to log in into your account. Of course, if you don't have an account, you'll find at the bottom middle option, create an account for free. If you click on it, you'll be able to create an account. So of course, once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here with this home page or with this main screen. And of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to write out of Office section. If you want to do that, simply you can just go here and save time to the settings option at the top right corner, and all you need to do is just type offline, and then you'll find this automatic replies option. Just click on it. I don't know why is it enabled to load the settings. They're telling me to try again, but for you, all you need to do, just set an automatic reply. Like people who's gonna say hi or whatever you want, you can set an automatic reply for them, or who you can set an automatic reply for whoever likes gonna send you an email, and that will save time for you and will set this auto reply, and that's how you write out of Office section. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.